So the first thing we're gonna have to do is take off all the knobs. All these guys will just pull off. Cool beans. So with these faders, they have a little space right in between, and what you're going to want to do is pry up the white part in the middle first. These are Pioneer fader locks, and then it'll come off, and then there is a tiny other piece here, so they'll just go back on the way they came off. So last time I did this to try and clean the fader, I just took off the faceplate and I didn't take off all the knobs, and so today I'm going to try something different because it was extremely hard to get off the faders and the crossfaders underneath. So you're going to have to, or you're going to want to just go ahead and take off all of these as well. Alright, time to bust it wide open. So we have two right here for the crossfader that we have to remove. So here is the part we're going to be replacing this whole board, and this way we don't have to do any soldering or anything crazy. And I think we can get away with leaving this here. Don't think there's anything holding this guy on. Okay, so now there we go. Yes, sir. So I'm just gonna pull out the crossfader for now, if I can. We can pull this ribbon directly out, just like that. There's a little tab on the back here you squeeze, and that just pulls right out. Cool. So we're going to take this part off next. There are these two clamps here that you have to bend. Right, so then we have these 4 screws we have to remove here. There we go. I'm going to take these. The order doesn't matter with these, as long as you pop them off here. Alright, so at this point, if you're just trying to clean your fader, you can unsolder from here, here, and all these points here, here, and then you have to bend those up, and it'll pop right out. And then you'll take these metal clamps, and you'll unbend them, and this metal top casing will come off. There'll be 2 rails here with plastic end caps, and then underneath there's the part you're going to want to clean pretty much every part of it. But if you don't feel like doing that like me, you can just buy a whole piece. I found this on eBay, I believe. It cost me about $50, and it got here super quick. Yes, sir. Cool. So we're just gonna pop this in just the way the other one was, and we'll pop these caps on after. Fine. Hell yeah. Alright, and then all you have to do is plug in the ribbon, and let me see. Yep, so you can see here, it'll tell you which way the ribbon should face. So the contacts, the shiny part here, will just go like that. Alright. Seems like my crossfader's a little loose from the first time I cleaned, so I'm gonna just tighten it up real quick. Easy. And this has a little lip here, so you're gonna have to slide that kind of underneath there. Make sure all your buttons are in the right place if they fell off. Everything looks pretty good. Alright, cool. We can throw the faceplate back on, and that's pretty much it. So there are two different ones. I didn't notice this when I was taking them off, but these are like a washer and a nut in one, and they're a little smaller, so I believe it's this guy here and the one right below it here. So just watch for that when you're putting them back on. Okay, so last time I'm going to pull this out. Whoops. So we'll have to put this guy back in too. Now that this is out, I can hold from the back, and it will be much easier. Damn, those are nice. Okay, so because I hastily pulled this thing out, the ribbon popped out, so that's gonna go right there. The contact side is gonna be facing this way. You can tell by the arrow that's right there. Just good to just check on the other ones, make sure they didn't get pulled at all. That should be fine. Alright. Bang! Sweet. Cool. Alright, so I'm going to plug it in and make sure everything is working. So I have another thing I wanted to show people. If you own this mixer, an easy way to record with it. So I'll save this for later. I'm probably gonna actually just keep it and unsolder it and clean these faders out in case I ever need to replace these ones. But they should last me for a long time. So cool. Thanks for watching.